Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Natural Roxy here. I know I'm sitting here looking like, girl, why your hair look like this? So as you can see at the title down below, I am going to be talking about how I do my LOC lock method. It's pretty explanatory throughout the video, but I am going to talk about it, just how I bring back the moisture to my hair throughout the week. And this is the week that I usually do moisturize my hair, which is always Sunday. I will go and wash my hair and then re-moisture, or I will just re-moisture my hair, which this week is the week that I'm not going to wash. I'm trying to go 2 weeks out to wash my hair because I find me washing my hair every week has been, I don't know if it's the way I'm doing it, but I'm trying to find a good method. But my hair has been breaking. I have been noticing that, so I am just going to eliminate washing my hair every week and try to deep condition every 2 weeks, and more so deep condition every week if I can. But yeah, I just wanted to just stop manipulating my hair every week in washing and conditioning. So I am trying to grow my hair out. I did do a big chop a couple of months back last year sometime, and my hair pretty much did grow. This is the length that it is now, and this is the front. So my hair has grown since I cut it. I didn't do a video about me cutting my hair, but I did talk about it in the video that I did. So this is my hairline. So I'm trying to grow it out as well, healthy. So yeah, with that being said, let's just get into the video. I'm rambling about my hair. So first I go in with my spritz bottle. I use my oil, and then I go in with my cream. That is what I have been trying to do lately. Most of the LOCs that I see is the water, is the cream, and then the oil. But I find that the oil in my hair tends to be a little bit too heavy. So I do try to go in with the oil first and then the cream. So in this bottle that I have is pretty much warm water because I like to open up my cuticles to get in the oil and the moisture in my hair. And I just have some aloe vera juice in here, which I just started doing this. I used to do it previously, but I just started putting the aloe vera juice in my hair and warming it up in a cup with warm water. But please do be careful because this is plastic, and I'm certain that this will melt. So I try to make sure that the water that I place it in is not too hot, or I just warm up the water in a cup and then pour it in here. So that's what we're going to do today. I like to work in a certain way with my hair. So it's not necessarily 3 sections or 4 sections, but because I like a certain style in my hair, I do go in with a side part to twist my hair. And if you guys ask me like, what is your what is the type hair that you have? I have no clue, girls. No, I'm being real. Don't get me to say 4C, 3C, 4A, 3A, 3B. I'm not into all of that with my hair. I can maybe say that my hair would be in a 4C, 4-3. I don't know. You guys can tell me what you think my hair type may be, but I'm really kind of clueless, to be honest with you. It is curly. It is on the thinner side, and so some parts are thick, some parts are thin, and so my hair is a little weird. I do have a little bit of Indian in my family, so I have that Indian hair going as well. So yeah, I don't know. You guys can tell me what you think. I have no clue at this point. So yes, I am just going to part my hair once more, and I like to do it in, okay, you can say 3 sections. And as you see, my hair is just really, really dry and is lacking moisture And so that's why I said, let me just go ahead and do a video for you guys, just showing you how I do my LOC method. So here's my spritz bottle. And if you guys are interested in this bottle that I'm using to spray my hair, I definitely will leave a link down below. I bought this at Amazon and I love this spritz bottle, guys. Love it. I did see a couple girls using it because I had the other regular bottle that you would get like in the drugstore. And I saw that one, it just spritz out. It doesn't like wet all over the place. And I was like, oh, that is for me. I need to have that. So I'm just going to use a Y2 comb to comb out my hair. And I started using a Y2 comb too, guys, because if you watch my channel, you know I don't use a comb to detangle my hair. But I've been finding it much manageable and less breakage in my hair because I think distributing the product that I use in my hair, it just works better with the comb. So that's what I've been doing and I have been liking it. I have been really liking it. And as you can see, the water just made it easy for me to detangle and comb out my hair. And this is my hair, and like I said, it's curly with the water. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go in with my oil, and in this oil is just jojoba oil, castor oil, black seed oil, and what else do I have in here? Okay, so I said so I'll leave everything. I'll just leave everything in the description box if I'm missing exactly what is in this oil, but it just have a little love in here. And I usually just put about this amount, if you can see, and I take it and distribute it through my hair and my ends. And I do the praying method. And the butter that I have been loving lately is the double buttercream richly daily moisturizer, and this is from As I Am. It's just a really thick creamy consistency. As you can see, it's not going to pour out. And I was using from Carol's Daughter the healthy hair butter. I love that thing. I have been using it for many years, but I wanted to try something different. So I did try this out and I have been really loving it. So I'm just going to take a big portion on this. I use about that amount of cream in my hair, and I just place it from the ends and work my way up to the roots. And I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit more. You can see, and I take it and I just start twisting. And go in from my ends to the roots, and I part them in two. And I usually try to make the roots of my hair a little tighter in twisting, and then I just separate the hair and just twist straight down. So I'm just going to go in on the other side and just demonstrate one more time. And so zoom you out, and I take my water bottle and spray. And with the top part, I kind of separate it in two again because it's a bit much to detangle. And I start from the bottom of my ends and work my way up to detangle my hair. is just easier, so I don't break my hair by just going from the top and coming down. And I do the same thing here. Start from my ends and work my way up.
And that's pretty much what I do.
That's it. And then I go in with the oil, and if you can see, I put about maybe 3 or 4 drops of oil. I rub it in my hands and I distribute it, rub it from my ends. And I try not to put too much oil on my hair because I feel like it weighs my hair down too. So that's why I try not to put too much oil. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead off camera and I'm gonna do the back. I already did one, as you can see. This is my hair length. My hair has gotten to about here, which I'm so happy. So in the back, I do bigger portions. So I just want you guys to know I don't do small portions like how I would do in the front. So I do 3 portions. So in the back, I do 1, 2, and 3, and I'll do it all that way throughout the whole back of my head. So when I'm finished with my hair, then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, I'm back and I'm at the last part of the back of my hair. As you can see, I did the back in big portions, and so I'm just left that one for you guys. And like I said, I distribute from the bottom, work my way up and twist. Okay, so I had to dim my lights a little bit so you guys can see my hair a little better, and yeah, that looks much better. So this is my hair moisturized, very healthy in terms of length and just overall, but my hair is thinning on this side. I have no idea why, but this is my hair moisturized, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys with me showing you how I do my moisturize. I hope that this video was very helpful to you guys on how to do the LOC method and how I do it. I know there's other people that do LOC totally different. They'll do the cream, then the oil and things like that. I used to do that, but then I found that the oil was a little too heavy after I placed the cream. So that's why I went with water, oil, then cream. And I have been loving this cream lately. Like I said previously, I was using my Carol's Daughter Healthy Hair Butter. I still use it, but I've just been gravitating to the As I Am Moisture Daily cream, and it's been working wonders. It actually has been keeping my hair more moisturized till Sunday, to where I don't have to re-moisturize like maybe on a Tuesday in the week, and that's what I've been really loving. So go ahead and try that out, and go ahead and try out the LOC method. And if you have tried out the LOC method, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you do your LOC method and if it works for you. And let's get the comments going, guys. And I am greatly appreciative to all of you who are subscribed to my channel. And I see you new subscribers. Thank you so much. And those of you who are watching right now and who is not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please hit that bell so you could get notifications when I do upload. As well, thumbs up this video so I know that you like my content and you want to see more videos like this. And I will do so well. Greatly love you guys so much. Until next time. Bye.